Hey guys, welcome to the Decent Hour. And in today's video, we are going to talk about another major special topic in cybersecurity, and we are going to see how much vulnerable the HTTPS version we are using is. But before that, guys, just for disclaimer, don't use the content provided in this video to do any harm to anyone. Just use it for fun and learning purpose only. So for demonstrating that, we are going to use an online tool which is basically a web application known by the name Geekflare. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see up on the screen, for going to the tool, you have to simply type gef.dev on your browser, and as soon as you will click enter, you can see here you will be provided with the Geekflare website where you can test for the particular domains SSL/TLS vulnerabilities. So what you have to do is you have to simply provide up the URL in this URL bar. So what I would be doing is I would be simply typing up here the URL of any particular vulnerable site. Let's say I take a hackyourselffirst.com. So I will be typing up here https hackyourselffirst.com, and you can select the tool also for which you want to check up. Like you can see here, you can perform many of the things like the website performance audit, TFTP test, TLS scanner, secure headers test, and the broken link checker, and all other things are also there. So our primary focus would be on the TLS scanner part. So I will select this, and you have to click on this run test, and as you will click on that, it will give you a prompt saying that you have to accept the terms and conditions. You have to check that, and again you have to click on check TLS vulnerability. And as soon as you will do that, it will take pretty much a sort of some minutes. It will take some minutes for you, and it will bring you with the results very soon. And as you can see here, the scan results are generated for this particular application hackyourselffirst.com. And as you will move down, you can see the protocols being offered here, like the SSL version 2 which is not being offered, SSL version 3 which is not being offered as well, and the TLS versions like the TLS 1.1, TLS 1, and the TLS 1.2 basically they are offering up here. And like you can also check for the server preferences as server cipher order, which generally means that whether or not server enforces strong ciphers over weak ciphers or not. And like you can see here for vulnerabilities as well, like the Heartbleed vulnerabilities set checked for which, so this website is not vulnerable to that, and other vulnerabilities are also there. You can see that this particular application is vulnerable to breach, which is basically gzip HTTP compression. And also if you will move down, you can find that it is also vulnerable to Lucky 13, which is basically a sort of timing attack. If you want to know more about these attacks in detail, you can tell me in the comment section. I will make a separate video, a particular video over these two vulnerabilities only, and I will give you the whole overview of these vulnerabilities as well. So you can comment down below and tell me for that. Next things, we can check that the TLS certificate details as well here, TLS extensions being used, and the session ticket when this particular TLS certificate was like issued, which signature algorithm is it using up. And if I move up a bit, you can also see the negotiated protocol, which is basically the main protocol, the main particular version of the TLS or SSL which the particular application is following up. So here it is mainly following up TLS version 1.2, which is pretty good. Like TLS 1.3 is preferred, but TLS 1.2 is also fine. Server key usage, digital signature, key encipherment, and also common name, which is the common name of the basically the domain which is being purchased, like the attacker.hackyourselffirst.troyhunt.com. This is the basically one of the CN here, common names for this application, and also who is the issuer. So here basically they have issuer of this particular SSL certificate is Let's Encrypt. Certificate validity expires less than 60 days. And the number of certificates provided, which are basically 2 up till now. And also you can see for multiple things out here. You can check for all of these things. There are multiple things given here, and you can like follow with these. So there you get a pretty awesome detail about this whole particular application, and you get a deep insight into this particular application. Second way through which you can check for SSL/TLS vulnerabilities is using Kali Linux tools, and a lot of there are. Some of them, if I mention, are SSCheck,
H2T and SSL scan and many like that. You can also check for SSL/TLS vulnerabilities and strength using Nmap scripts as well. If you have Nmap already installed and if you are using Kali, you can cd into /user/share/nmap/scripts directory, and if you are on Windows, you can simply go to nmap/scripts folder, and there you will see a lot of scripts present there, which you can basically use to check for the vulnerabilities, and if some of them I mentioned are like. So guys, this was for this video. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also tell me in the comment section about this video whether you liked it or not. And as you guys know that currently I do not earn anything from YouTube. So if you want to show your support, you can buy me a coffee. I have provided you with the PayPal and the UPI ID in the description box. So you can go and buy me a coffee there out. So till then guys, tata, goodbye. Let me see you in another video.